Welcome, in front of me I have Panasonic TV, and today I'll show you how we can turn on or turn off voice guidance. So at first you have to tap the menu button on your remote control. Right now you have to scroll down to the sound and click OK to enter. When you are here we have to scroll down using arrows. And here we got this option, so click OK to enter. Click OK to activate, and of course we have to volume up, and right now we switch to the headphones, so let's go back to the TV speaker, and right now we will be able to hear that. So as you can hear right now, it's activated. So if you want to turn it off, you have to go back here, click to turn off, then confirm and just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.